Did you know the 3 best facts about the animals? 1. Lions are among the most social animals, forming strong family prides where members cooperate in hunting and protecting their territory. 2. The strength and power of a lion are showcased in its impressive roar, serving not only to mark territory but also to maintain communication within the pride and attract potential mates. 3. Lions are exceptional hunters, employing group hunting strategies to effectively track and take down large prey such as zebras or buffaloes.